Hello again, Dave here. Today, we're going to go over how to set up your market updates that you can send to your leads. These are great ways to stay in touch with your clients. Mine go out every month. It's just a very casual, branded to you way to get in front of your clients on a regular basis. One of the biggest issues agents have is staying in touch with their clients, their sphere of influence, their friends and family. Market updates are a great way of doing it. All you need is their zip code and their email. Super cool. Anyway, so how do you do that? Well, you go under the people, go to your lead or leads, same thing, engagement, market reports. So you go here, type their zip code in or their city. We're doing the zip code I live in, monthly. Again, you can do them bi-monthly, quarterly, semi. I think it's a great thing to send every month because we all know the housing market changes, on a whim. So this is fantastic. And then you can preview what it looks like if you want to. Why not? Let's see what it looks like. Oh, send to my email. And then you hit save. That's how easy it is to set up your market reports. Cool thing is now when they get sent out, you can see when it's opened. That's what I love about a lot of this stuff is you can track. It's all about tracking. So that is how you set up market reports.